In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom funnel reports in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clear, multi-stage funnel that reflects your process and share it with the right people. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. On the left panel, look for the reporting icon. Hover over it to expand the options, then select Reports. In the Reports area, go to the top right and click Create, then choose Create Report. The page will reload. On the left panel of the report builder, find Funnel Report and select it. Then click Next to move forward. Now choose your primary data source. This is the foundation of your funnel, so pick the object that best matches the journey you want to analyze, like contacts, deals, or tickets. In the second field, add your first stage event. This should be the earliest meaningful milestone in your process, such as a lifecycle stage change or a deal stage. When you're happy with your selections, click Next. The page will reload and HubSpot will pull in data that matches your chosen data source and first stage event. On the left panel, use the first dropdown to switch to a different data visualization if you want. For example, moving from a chart to a table to better see counts and conversion rates. To add more stages, click the Add New Stage button. A panel will open on the left where you can drag and drop the next event stage you want to include. Keep your stages in the logical order your customers follow. After adding each stage, click Save so it's included in the funnel. Take a moment to review the funnel flow and ensure it mirrors your real process. Clear, sequential stages produce the most reliable conversion insights. When you're done building, click Save Report at the top right. A panel will slide open on the right. Enter a clear, descriptive report name. This is required, so teammates instantly understand what it shows. You can add tags if you use them for organization. Review the description. It may be pre-filled by AI, but you can edit it to clarify purpose, audience, and any assumptions. Choose whether to keep the report off a dashboard, add it to an existing dashboard, or create a new dashboard for it. Click Next. Finally, choose who can access the report. Set permissions so only the right users or teams can view or edit it. Then click Save. And that's it. You've created a custom funnel report in HubSpot that reflects your stages, visualizes performance, and is ready to share with your team.